positive side, right? How can we take best advantage of the technology available to us? And if you recall, chapter 1 की last slide में we discussed on the global in marketing, the global landscape of marketing, if you recall. The 4 factors हमने discuss किए थे, and there was globalization also and there was digital age also. So digital age क्या है? It's again the technological environment. And again, marketers are taking full advantage of the potential that is there in technological environment. Marketers are coming up with new products, they are coming up with new packaging, they are coming up with new ways to sell the product, online selling, e-marketing, online promotion of products, right? Latest new billboards, electronic boards, right? So this is all because of technology, right? Prices are getting lower because of technology. Because technology आपकी investment cost होती है, that is always high, right? But later on, the performance of the product that you are producing, that will drop, right? So again, human part is replaced by machine power because of this is industrial revolution in chapter 2 in management at home, right? So again, technological environment plays a very important role even for the market, right? So there's an opportunity to create new products, right? So companies can come up with new products and new ways of working, right? Getting connected with their suppliers or customers, right? So technology can do so much. SMS marketing, internet marketing, right? So it gives a lot of opportunities to the organization. Even because of technology and because of globalization, one country is selling their product country. You just order your product online, you will get the delivery. Germany orders and you will get it in Pakistan, right? So again, this is all because of technology, right? So even you can take example of that companies are importing their inputs and resources from all over the world. That is also because of technology. So technology creates a lot of technology, you can create a lot of new products and a lot of opportunities for the organization. Okay, and the safety of new products always a concern, right? So whenever there is technological development or a company comes with technologically advanced product, right? There is a concern also. Technological advanced product is a concern also. Safety का concern होता है. You always take care of your laptop, right? Because technology is involved. Wires अगर maybe displays होते हैं, mishandle होते हैं product, so it can get destroyed, right? Screen आपकी खराब हो गई, monitor screen, right? पानी में बचा के रखते हैं, handle it with care. And this is the reason you will find there's always a thick booklet where all the electronic appliances are being purchased. It will brief you where how to use the product, how to keep the product safe, how to maintain it, right? What are necessary measurements that you have to take care of while handling the product and using the product, right? So again, even technology can harm your, right? So there are side effects of technology. So again, it is the responsibility of the marketer to educate all these areas, right? We know कि technology computer की speed के आगे ज़्यादा काम करेंगे तो your eyesight will get affected, right? We know if you are using cell phone too much, right? Again, there are some ways which are going to affect your health. So again, there are safety concerns also whenever we discuss the technological environment, right? Yes, they can all come over here in the strategies that the company is going to make. Because safety of new product is always a concern. Now the company is going to come up with strategies and with maybe some what you say, buy a product or accompanying product that is going to provide you security as well. Like again, if HP is going to provide you with a laptop, they are going to provide a handbag with it, right? Through which you can secure your product in the best possible way, right? So yes, definitely these factors and companies have to take care of them. Then please don't create disturbance. Then comes the political environment, right? Political environment क्या है? Political and legal. They are two different departments, and we discuss them together. Why? Because both of them are linked with the government. Right? Political and legal are both linked with the government. Right? हाँ, political में और legal में difference क्या है? Political में political stability और unstability of country, that is to be discussed. Political में आपका जो है एक कंपनी ने 20 रुपए का प्रोडक्ट दिया, उसके कंपेटिटर ने 19 का कर दिया, फिर दूसरी कंपनी ने 18 का कर दिया, फिर दूसरी कंपनी ने 17 का कर दिया, क्या और कर रहे हैं, राइट? So this is beneficial for the customers, but it is going to hurt the market. Fair competition नहीं हो सकेगा आपका। हमने प्राइस फ्लोरिंग और प्राइस सीलिंग डिस्कस किया था नहीं? Higher and low, minimum price and maximum price. अभी गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से चेक होता है डिफरेंट कमोडिटीज लाइक ऑन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स देयर इज अ सीलिंग एंड प्राइस फ्लोरिंग। क्या इससे ज्यादा नहीं बेच सकते, एक फ्रिज है, प्लेट है, टीवी है और इससे कम प्राइस पे नहीं सेल कर सकते, तो गवर्नमेंट ने रिस्ट्रिक्शन लगा दी, देयर इज अ लिमिट, राइट? इवन इफ मैनेजमेंट की पर्सपेक्टिव से देयर आर सो मेनी रेगुलेशन लाइक देयर शुड बी इक्वल एम्प्लॉयमेंट ऑफ ईईओ, राइट? गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से regardless of the gender everyone should have equal opportunity, right? जैसे पाकिस्तान में जैसे है वो, पाकिस्तान में प्रायोरिटी किसे देती है जॉब में? क्यों
ज़्यादा काम करते हैं,
they are hard working,
जेंट्स
girls are not hard working, males are more career oriented, right? And females, they are more family oriented, so they have other responsibility, they would try balance between job and working place, right? So especially in the company में नहीं, क्योंकि there are two candidates, both of them are equally potential, but one is male and other is female, और organization और female है वो भी bachelor है, कंपनी सोचेगी कि अभी हम bachelor को ले रहे हैं, अभी एक 2 साल बाद में settle हो जाएगी, शादी होगी, फिर इसके बच्चे होंगे, फिर इसकी कोई ना कोई छुट्टियां नहीं जानी होगी, राइट? Marriage free हो तो again they would prefer के instead of that it's better hire a male who will split from morning to evening, work like an employee organization, right?
Oh, ma'am, intelligent.
Give them opportunity, right? Okay, equal employment, this is a management side of the marketing, right? हाँ, marketing के perspective से you can take example, product के ऊपर there is an expiry date that organizations are bound to mention, particularly pharmacies में जितने भी आप medicine लेंगे उसका expiry date must, right? अगर नहीं है तो definitely there will be a problem for the organization, right? There is a government restriction that you need to mention. There is a government restriction that mentions the quantity of product. There is a government restriction you need to mention the ingredients of product. मेरे पास आप जितने refined और ingredients are mentioned, the calories mentioned है, right? उसमें जो है आपका quantity या weight कितना है product का, that is mentioned, किस कंपनी है, that is mentioned, किस country पे बना है, that is also mentioned, right? And definitely halal या haram है, that is also mentioned, पाकिस्तान में तो majority जो है that is Muslim, right? हाँ, in a metropolitan country where there are people from all over the world, right? So over there it is important that you need to highlight. अब कुछ कंपनीज क्या करते हैं, कोड दे देते हैं, पहले हराम हलाल लिखा होगा प्रोडक्ट, राइट? अब जो है बहुत सारी कंपनीज है वो हराम हलाल नहीं होते, तो पहले अगर हराम हलाल लिख दिया तो फिर मुस्लिम की बड़ी मार्केट है वो प्रोडक्ट को परचेज नहीं करेंगे, तो डिजाइन एडिटर ऑल्सो देयर सम ऑफ द कोड। अब वो कोड जो है वो उन्होंने इंडिकेट कर दिया है हर जगह कि ये कोड में इसका मतलब है कि ये हराम है या हलाल है, लेकिन कस्टमर से
कोड क्या है, कोड क्या है?
I remember memorize the different codes for different products, right? But yes, this is what I know. Now they have instead of they are selling those products Muslim countries, and they know that Muslim countries में जो है ये products है वो not for like they think fat in this product. They are not going to mention anything, right? They will give a code. ये code का मतलब है कि तो मैं और आप इसको identify नहीं कर सकते कि code का क्या मतलब है. But there are ways which are coming and they calculate okay, these are the codes this means this product, right? So all such methods are included in the legal environment. Legal, जहाँ law, restrictions, regulation, policies आपको follow करनी है, that is legal. जहाँ political ability है, जहाँ पे आपके international relations हैं, they are all part of political. Like पाकिस्तान इस वक्त कितना attractive market international organization. How attractive market is it? Or why is less wire? Yes. एक point of view से it is attractive. From another point of view, not attractive. Right? If we see the political situation of the country, it is not attractive. Right? Then it is unattractive because of the terrorism activities going on, because of the 6 years में how many companies you have seen multinational companies are moving? Very few countable companies that we can name. उससे पहले 10 साल पहले आप देखें तो there are so many companies coming to Pakistan, right? Again, right now, even not even a Pakistani would like to go to Afghanistan. Afghanistan की political situation और ज़्यादा deteriorate कर रही है, right? Again, who will go? Those who will take a stake of their life, right? And there are organizations, agents हैं, resellers हैं, जो मेडिसिन पाकिस्तान से परचेज करके और अफगानिस्तान में पहुंचा रहे हैं और 100 रुपए की मेडिसिन जो पाकिस्तान में वहाँ पे 5,000 रुपए की है, almost 10 to 100 times. Yes, क्योंकि आपका लाइफ एंड डेथ का स्टेज है ना, तो definitely you will make money in that case, right? So that's all related. Okay, very attractive market भी है क्योंकि कस्टमर से काफी पास है. हम कहते हैं लोग जितने भी मर रहे हैं, लेकिन फिर भी ना हमने ब्रांड छोड़नी है, ना हमने घूमना छोड़ना है, ना हमने रेस्टोरेंट जाना छोड़ना है. इसका मतलब है कहीं ये ले तो रहे हैं और स्टोरों पे आ रहे हैं, इसलिए प्राइस नहीं है.
Pakistan is population of Pakistan is big.
Yes, but a growing population is not always a very attractive market unless that population do not have enough or less interest purchasing power, right? अब अगर if I am selling a product and there are 50 people to buy the product, I think you have 50 लोगों ने ना बेच सकते, लेकिन 50 लाख purchasing power नहीं है. This market is not attractive. पाकिस्तान में जो रिच है वो बहुत रिच है, जो पुअर है very poor. Middle class है they are struggling very hard.
रिच होने के
Okay, legal environment जो है वो किसको benefit करेगी? Company, customers और
कंप्यूटर्स को
all of them. लीगल है ना, लॉ और रेगुलेशन. जब भी ये लॉ तो हर एक को रेगुलेशन है, पॉलिसीज है जो सबने फॉलो करने हैं, इट विल बेनिफिट एवरीवन. हमारी कंट्री के अंदर लॉ एप्लीकेशन कितनी है, किसको नुकसान है? सबको नुकसान है, राइट? तो अगेन अगर लाइक ऐसे कंपनी को जो है कि कंपनी रजिस्टर्ड है, कंपनी के पास लाइसेंस है, कंपनी के पास पेटेंट्स हैं, तो द कंपनी इज प्रोटेक्टेड, राइट? अब कोई एक और डॉलर नहीं आएगी जो अपनी कंपनी का नाम मैकडॉनल्ड रखेगी, बिकॉज मैकडॉनल्ड हैज द कॉपीराइट. इट्स अ रजिस्टर्ड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, राइट? तो है इसको बेनिफिट को बेनिफिट है, राइट? राइट? कहां पे कंपनी नहीं है तो कोई अपनी कंपनी को रजिस्टर नहीं करा सकता, वो तो होम बिजनेस है, राइट? वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट रजिस्टर्ड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. वी आर
बच्चों की तरह आगे का प्रश्न
Mama Bharti is not a good school. Really, Mama Bharti. बोलो फजल स्कूल awesome school Sweet Made School Fajr School मैम you know मैम आपने फजर स्कूल के नाम सुना फजर स्कूल स्वीट मेड स्कूल मेरिट सिस्टम है वहाँ पर यहाँ पर मैम बहुत ज़बरदस्त है और स्टैंडर्ड उनका बहुत ज़बरदस्त है नहीं बहुत ज़बरदस्त स्कूल है स्वीट मेड स्कूल है स्वीट सिस्टम है वहाँ पर यार
तमकिया देखो मैंने तमकिया
मैम मामा सिटी स्कूल बच्चे घर से स्कूल से आ रहे होते गाने गा रहे होते हैं बाकी है मैं तो सिटी स्कूल मैम तहज्जुद पढ़ लेगा फिर सही रहेगा तहज्जुद सही है और दुआ भी कर लेगा एडमिशन भी हो जाएगा क्योंकि इनके घर के हमारे स्कूल है मैम ये पंचर कर देगा आपकी गाड़ी नीचे नहीं नहीं मैम awesome मैम awesome मैम जो ना
क्या है
which unit I'll bake ma'am I'll bake yes
Sure.
but and the product restricted government restricted to this product
Coming back, so we said that the legal requirement, there is benefit the customers, right? We discussed like the companies elected rate, right? And again, it also benefits the competitors. So that there is a fair competition going on in the country, right? Like a small example for this can be India where there is a policy from the government that a company that there is a company X, right? And the company come up with a product a new product, right? That is a totally new product in the market. Previously there is no organization this product. Now they have competitors Y. Competitors Y can also come up with the same product, copy this and come up with the same product, right? But this organization or all other organizations around, they are restricted that for a 5 period of time they cannot come up with this product unless this organization it covers with extensive of research and all that. Because research is discussing or starting today, right? Research is one very extensive area, right? It consumes a lot of capital from the patients, right? So अगर एक कंपनी जैसे 2 साल रिसर्च की और उसके बाद उन्होंने प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च किया, दूसरी कंपनी को उसमें कॉपी करना होगा, मार्केट से उठाया, स्टडी किया, राइट? और उसके बाद कॉपी करके दे और कम अप विद देयर ओन प्रोडक्ट, चेंज द नेम. तो क्या होगा? एक कंपनी का तो आगे निकल जाएगा. क्यों? क्योंकि इनकी जितनी कॉस्ट है उसके अकॉर्डिंगली अपने प्राइस करेंगे प्रोडक्ट को. Cover the cost and make some profit. But this company, suppose this company is coming up with the product, they have priced it 2,000, right? But this company, they haven't done any research, they can sell the product, same quality in 700. So who will buy from the previous organization? So government restriction. Unless this company for 1 year or 1.5 years or 2 years, unless this company has its foot in the market, the other company come up or copy the same product, right? Right? This is a restriction of law that India makes, right? The companies cannot practice this unethical. This is a kind of unethical practice, right? Besides that, अब क्या अगर सरकारी और एथिकल दोनों प्रोडक्ट्स लगाए तो वॉर हो जाएगी. इससे क्या होगा? There would be a fair competition in the country, right? Besides that, if we talk about consumers, how consumers will benefit? Consumers को सबसे ज़्यादा benefit होगा, right? कैसे? Price storage feeling that is beneficial for the customers, right? Then there was a movement in USA. That movement was known as movement of consumerism. Movement of consumerism, right? Movement of consumerism. So movement of according to this movement, the consumers or the customers were given certain rights. Customers ने movement निकाली और उन्होंने कहा कि customers को जो है वो authority होनी चाहिए और customer के पास जो है वो decisions होने चाहिए और authority in a sense like even we are practicing that today, right? If we don't like a product, like अगर we have the right to return that product, isn't it? आप milk purchase किया आपने, carton of milk is expired. Can you replace that? Refund that?
Yes.
Yes, right? The organization can exchange that for you. No?
Yes.
Or you go to a restaurant if you have ever experienced, right? You order a meal, right? और उस meal में there is some बाल निकल आया, कोई cockroach निकल आया, right?
KFC or
the organization that is going to replace it for you and they will also give you something complimentary. ताकि आप अगर छोड़ना बनाए और आप कस्टमर को भी ना बदले और आप खुशी
बड़ी कंपनी ज्यादा प्राइस देगी.
बड़ी कंपनी ज्यादा अच्छे गिफ्ट दे करती हैं कस्टमर, यस, राइट?
कस्टमर पैकेजिंग देते हैं.
मैम लेकिन वो तो नहीं गिफ्ट
In America, there was a right, and he bought a cup of coffee from McDonald's, right? He was driving through, and he bought a cup of coffee, and then he kept the coffee cup in her lap, right? और उससे वो गिर गया. Sprayed it on her eyes and burned herself. She went to the court. She registered a case against the company, and she sued the organization. Right? और McDonald's ने उसको compensate किए. They gave thousands of dollars. Why? case against McDonald's. क्योंकि वो बच्चे को ऑब्वियसली वो भी गॉट सो फैट, वो जो है जंक फूड खा के इतना ही टेंशन नहीं है कि इसके अंदर इतनी कैलोरीज है, लोग एट सम व्हाट हैपेंस है. So again, company had to
जब मोटा हो रहा था तब पता नहीं चल रहा था.
okay, cultural environment, right? Okay.
Do you know the road McDonald's? No. ये कब आया? कब लॉन्च हुआ?
पाकिस्तान में.
पाकिस्तान में initially कब लॉन्च हुआ था?
I think I heard this story, but then I have to recall. Right?
McDonald's against aircraft company उसको बहुत बड़ा लॉस हुआ था जब बोइंग ने बाय कर ली थी तो उसके ओनर ने McDonald's बोला था.
1990s में तो नहीं होगा.
88
Before that.
87 88
Okay. बहुत सारी कंपनीज ऐसे हैं. Even if you know Body Shop that we all know very well, right? That was also started by a woman, right? Started पहले उसने खुद ही बनाना start किया by adding different herbs and veggie products for those people who are environmentally friendly, right? And they want products which are free of all kinds of chemical herbs. And now you can see how she expanded. So she started from her home, from a single shop, and then she kept on expanding, right? I'll give you an assignment, hopefully after the midterm, in which I'll ask come up with success stories of different organizations. So you can present them in group, right? Cultural environment. Cultural environment consists of tuitions and other courses. Rabia, very good study today. कभी इधर और कभी उधर. Left, right, both. Okay. So, all those institutions and other forces that affect the society's basic value and behavior. Now, culture पढ़ा आपने management में? What is culture? Traditions, beliefs, norms, rituals, values, right? Yes, we can use a small word for defining culture, right? That is shared values, right?
Shared values.
Yes.
I would like to women's rights को बहुत पसंद करता है. वुमेन्स की राइट्स के लिए भी दिलवाने पड़ेंगे.
household, every woman. Like in this rectangle, there is a debate also that this is very unethical कि आप ads के अंदर सिर्फ खूबसूरत Okay, now coming back, culture में there are two things that will impact. Students, now I want you all to be attentive, right, and stop mumbling with each other. Right? Class, be attentive. Okay, cultural values के अंदर there are four beliefs and there are secondary beliefs. Four beliefs हमारी कौन सी beliefs होती हैं? Those beliefs that are persistent. Persistent they cannot be changed. They pass on the values that pass on from parents to their children, from grandparents to their parents to their kids. Right? That is core values, or we also call them as primary values. Right? Primary values, and the next one that is secondary values. Right? Now culture का आपने आज तक Himachal culture division is not discussed a lot about cultural management. Right? Every 1 year in general, every country has their own culture. Right? Pakistan has a distinct culture from Australia, from Japan, from China, from India. You will find because India and Pakistan are more close to each other, geographic location there is more. You could say there is more nearity between the two countries, and their culture can travel. Culture एक जगह से दूसरी जगह travel होता है. This is the reason पाकिस्तान में we can see Western culture now. Because culture जितने close countries होंगे उतने ज़्यादा दिन से culture travel करेगा. हर country का culture distinct है. Country के अंदर अगर आप provinces देखें, province का distinct culture, right? पाकिस्तान का आप एक culture बता सकते हैं. You have to write, right? But अगर पाकिस्तान के visit में तो there would be sub culture. Culture within a culture is sub culture. So this has a distinct and a distinct culture. After the distinct culture, type by the other provinces.
कहते हैं national flower, national game, national.
वो आपका पाकिस्तान का culture होगा. Yes. Language, dishes, food, right? All that is done in Pakistan culture, right? अब कराची को अगर हम discuss करें, provinces के अंदर भी सब culture होते हैं. इसका एक culture होगा इसके अंदर different cities हैं, मेरे यहाँ पर different culture, right? कराची में भी कराची city है, एक culture है, लेकिन कराची के अंदर PAK में have a different culture and Gulshan में have a different culture and people living in maybe or in KDA they will have a different culture, right? And if we talk about your university, right? अब बहरिया यूनिवर्सिटी का एक culture है. यूनिवर्सिटी में जो different departments हैं, they all have different sub cultures. आपकी क्लास का एक culture है, लेकिन आपकी क्लास का जो ग्रुपिंग होती है, all those groups have their own culture. Some groups they are introverts, some are extroverts, some are helpful, some are not, some are confident, some are not, some are more hardworking, some are not, right? Some are more into studies, some are more into entertainment. So again, आपकी values different है. हर culture की values they are different, right? And why it is important for the marketer to study culture?
बिल्कुल focus the product के लिए product
Which type of culture which type of product required? To understand the behavior of a group of people, because we said culture is a shared value. एक individual का culture नहीं हो सकता, right? एक की personality होती है, right? हाँ, organization का जो culture है that is its personality, right? So the culture of the organization will be personality of an organization. So we were discussing core values and secondary values. Core values are those values which are transferred to us from parents, right? The way they behave, the values they share, right? We also share the same values. Secondary values are more, और ये values में आपकी change नहीं हो सकती. These values, the secondary values, they are more to change, right? Like what I think about you, this can be changed, right? What I think about Unilever, what I think about this product, I can change. What I think about this thought can be changed, right? But my religion is my core value. That cannot be changed, right? So it is a core or a primary belief, right? Whereas secondary belief is more open to, is not changed. Sorry. More open to change. Okay. Next time we will hold on. Don't worry, safety class, let the bell ring. They have the secondary class until the bell ring. Right? Okay. Now I'll give you few examples on core value and secondary value. Right? Religion we said is a core value. Right? Education is a core value. But what education will you go for? That is the secondary value. What? जो आपके पास बने some family
ब्लावल नहीं आए।
और कौन नहीं आया? Don't worry, I marked your attendance again in the next class. Right? So I come to know it will be attendance.
चलो बाकी है जैसे पढ़ के आप
No, I take your class.
यस सर को बता दो आपको किसके बाद
Yes.
तो बोलो बच्चा लोग
Okay. Now, if you have to point out cultural trends in Pakistan, what are they?
Oh my
What
God,
are the
this is
cultural trends in Pakistan?
a broad, tough concept.
We can say there is more westernization, right? Right? There is more modernization, right? There are more working women today as compared to previously. मैं आपको एक मिनट पहले नहीं कहूँगी 12:30 से right? Even I have a target I need to achieve that have to achieve, right? There are more working women today. पहले हमारे कल्चर नहीं था कि जो है वो औरतें घर संभालेंगी और जो है वो काम करेंगे और जॉब करेंगे will bring earn bread and butter for you, right? Now even women they are equally working with men, right? There are more nuclear things today. पहले joint families होती थी वो atomic bomb वाला nuclear नहीं है. Now there are only parents and kids, small families, right? Okay, then people they want
यदि कल्चर ट्रेंड कहाँ से आ गए तो ट्रेंड से पाकिस्तान कल्चर तो नहीं
culture है ना ये हमारा culture है.
That's the culture.
Of course, are you just discussing take of discussing? I am discussing Pakistan. अगर इंडिया होगा तो इंडिया में भी होगा, वेस्ट में भी होगा, लेकिन अपने के पाकिस्तान के अंदर क्योंकि as a marketer I need to know what is going on in Pakistan, what are the values today in Pakistan, and then later on के what do people require if this is going on. बस सिर्फ फेस्टिवल से हमारा कल्चर बनता है. खाली तो ईद और बकरा ईद है वो है हमारा कल्चर. क्यों नहीं है? हमारी शेयर वैल्यूज, राइट? डेफिनेटली ऑल दीस थिंग्स मेक अस कल्चर. हम क्या खाते हैं, हम क्या पहनते हैं, कल्चर को रिप्रेजेंट. आपके ट्रेडिशनल ड्रेसेस क्यों आते हैं कल्चर में? अभी हम वेस्टर्नाइजेशन डिस्कस करें, ये क्लोथिंग है ना, क्लोथिंग में भी है, फूड है, इन द वे यू बिहेव, इन द प्रोडक्ट यू परचेज. You see westernization all over today, right? Okay, people they want more entertainment today. पहले entertainment में in a month I remember when we were kids, महीने में एक दफा कोई get together या plan करके picnic या कुछ होता था. Now unless we want to go every week maybe 2-3 times, we feel like we are so innocent and we don't go anywhere, right? That is this generation, right? Yes, you forget. Then today people they are more into recreational activities, right? Today people they are health conscious. पहले health conscious थे लोग, जो है जैसा खा लिया आपको, you are so much aware of कि okay इसमें कैलोरी है, इसमें कोलेस्ट्रॉल कितना है, ये प्रोडक्ट हेल्दी है, ये अनहेल्दी है, right? There can be many others also, right? Let me discuss them, right? If there is more westernization, right? इससे क्या होगा? मार्केटर के लिए कैसे opportunity है? Because we are for opportunity. Marketers will come up with more westernized dresses. They will come up with more westernized products, right? If there is modernization, westernization और modernization में difference क्या है? Adopting the western culture and keeping pace with technology, modern technology. So modernization की वजह से you get all latest gadgets available in your country. Right? Either it's a laptop or it's a TV or it is a split air conditioner or it is any other technological equipment. Right? Working women. If there are more working women in a family, how it is opportunity for marketers? उनको क्या चीजें चाहिए? Make those products. They require daycare facility. They require beauty products. Right? They require formal clothing. Right? They require food or ready-to-cook meals. So you have to see that when changes are taking place, then marketers need to spot out take your life, right? Olive oil or olive or olive oil, soy sauce, wheat product, right? Then rice product, right? So these products, right? They are Nestle, Nesvita, yes, right? So these are also products. Most strong and again, Dawn brown bread, right? So these are all those products that are targeting on. Okay. How do the marketers respond to the changes that are taking place in the environment?
मैम ये तीन स्लाइड्स नहीं आई
Yes. बीच में तो 3 slides में कोई नहीं cancel them out. Okay. Now, what are the views of marketers on responding? If you recall, right, we discussed the environment, the micro environment and the macro environment, right? The organization or is there an example?
Maybe they're breaking. Gate खोल दो, gate खोल दो.
Okay. So, it's not problem. Luckily, they were my students. So, yes, okay. So, next. Marketer क्या कर रहा है? Marketer observes the changes taking place in the micro environment and the macro environment, right? And then the marketer needs to respond to the changes that are taking place in the environment. The cultural changes and local changes and the customer needs and wants changes. So all the changes that are taking place, the marketer needs to observe. Now you say a single word and go out of the class. Now behavior says, I have to exert so much to reach to you, right? And complete the outline, right? So please behave yourself. Don't force me that next time I won't be fair to you, right? So don't teach me a lesson. Okay, so there are 3 ways a marketer is going to respond to the changes which are taking place in the environment. One is uncontrollable, second is proactive, and third is reactive. Uncontrollable is you don't have any option. You have to respond. Like if the government increased taxes by 5%, it's uncontrollable. Now you adjust yourself. Price adjustment जो करना है आपने, you have to react to it. एक और क्या आप अभी डाल देते हैं या बाद में पे करेंगे और एक्सेप्टेड, राइट? अनकंट्रोलेबल गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से कोई लॉ आ गया, कोई ना
कुछ नहीं हो
और पब्लिक प्रेशर हो सकते हैं, डिफरेंट पब्लिक प्रेशर, राइट? बट वी आर सेइंग कुछ भी हो सकता है, राइट? हम ये डिस्कस करेंगे पॉसिबिलिटीज 3 है. Either it is uncontrollable, right? You react to it. You have to adapt yourself to it. Either it will be proactive or reactive. Proactive, before something goes wrong, before an event has occurred, you plan accordingly for future. जैसे political unfair Pakistan, right? And you know there is election coming on after a few months, right? So what we can increase our productivity right now because we know we would be affected at the time
वो चुटकी ला दी क्या करें?
रिकॉर्ड वाला ही है।
अबे रिकॉर्ड नहीं हो रहा है।